Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about comets. But first of all, we have to know what is the comets. So, comets are icy objects typically ranging a few miles in size which orbit our sun. They are highly elliptical orbits that carry them from close to the sun all the way to the outer edges of the solar system. When a comet gets close to the sun, its outer layers of ice melt and evaporate, creating an atmosphere of gas and dust around the comet. This atmosphere is called coma radiation from the sun, no matter which way the comet is moving. Gas in the coma and tail of the comet reflection light from the sun. Comets are relatively small, vaguely irregularly shaped bodies and like asteroids. Comets, however, are icy dirt balls that come from in the outer solar system. The icy surface is embedded with dust, grit and particles from space. Many comets have elliptical orbits that cut across the orbit of the planets, taking them very close to the sun and then swinging them far away. The most distant comets may take more than 30 million years to complete one orbit. Comets with smaller orbital paths can take less than 200 years to orbit the Sun, making them more predictable. When far from the Sun, comets are very cold. Icy dirt balls as they approach to the Sun's surface begin to warm and volatile materials vaporize. The vaporizing gas carries small dust grains with them which form an atmosphere of gas, a dust, and can look like a bright tail when seen from Earth. Scientists have scanned some 900 orbits of comets. Some of these have orbit between the orbit of the planets Venus and Mars and take several years to evolve. Others, though, had a entity orbit, which was oval in shape and took centuries to revolve. Comets are often classified by length of their orbital periods, and longer periods are longer ellipses. A long-tailed comet, one with its stripe running so far through the icy regions of space that it has an opportunity to absorb the gas in the path. As it approaches the sun, it releases the gas, creating a calm and very long tail. For example, there's a greater comet that passes by the sun every 75,000 years and Halley's comet every 76 years. The short-tailed comet, which is the comet with its latitude so short that it has little chance of absorbing the gas in its path. As it approaches the sun, the comet releases so little gas that it forms only a coma and a tail that is so short it doesn't even have a tail. For example, in case comet passes near the sun every 3.3 years. For example, some comets. The last Halley's comet appeared in 1986 and appeared every 76 years. Comet Perseus comet is one of the shortest orbits in 3 years. Brooks comet was discovered in July 1911 in Williams' discovery. Scientists believe that impact from comet played a role in the evolution of Earth billions of years ago. One theory suggests that comets brought some of the water and a variety of organic molecules to the early Earth. That's all the material about comets. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.